video, I am going to discuss about microorganisms, friends or foes. So, students, now let's start the video. Definition of microorganisms: the living organisms that are invisible to the naked eye but visible under the microscope are called microorganisms. Definition of microbiology: the study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Microorganisms affect us in many ways. Some are harmful and some are useful organisms to us. On the basis of the microorganisms' cell structure, microorganisms can be divided into 4 groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Some important points on viruses. Viruses are unique as they exhibit the characteristics of both living organisms and non-living things. When they are floating in air or settled on a doorknob, they are non-living like salt, sugar. They can be crystallized and stored in jars for years. When the viruses come in contact with a suitable plant, animal, or bacteria, they show the characteristics of living organisms. They infect the cell and quickly multiply inside it. So, they are considered on the borderline between living and non-living things. Where do microorganisms can live? Microorganisms are found in almost all kinds of environment, like in ice cold water, hot springs, and in dry, marshy or saline areas. They are found in soil, on the ocean floor, high in the atmosphere, and deep inside rocks in the earth's crust. Microorganisms are also found in the human body and in the bodies of other plants and animals. Our mouth, throat, nose, and the alimentary canal are all inhabited by a large number of microorganisms. We can say microorganisms are found everywhere. Role of microorganisms in our life. Microorganisms play an important role in our lives and in the environment. They help in the decomposition process and in maintaining the biogeochemical cycles like the carbon and nitrogen cycles. They are useful and beneficial for mankind in many ways. However, some of them are harmful as they cause diseases and even spoil our food. Microbial population in the human body. Under normal conditions, our bodies house a large population of microorganisms that are kept in balance and are harmless. These microorganisms are important for our body. They form an essential system that helps our body. The hands 100 to 1000 bacteria per meter square. The scalp 1 million bacteria per centimeter square. The armpit 1 to 10 million bacteria per centimeter square. The forehead 10,000 to 1 lakh bacteria per centimeter square. The nose 10 million bacteria per centimeter square. The saliva 100 million bacteria per gram. Students, thank you for watching my video. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe my channel and have a